Hi friends, my name is Nitin Vyas, and in this video I will explain you how you can join 4 to 5 people or up to 10 people easily by using WhatsApp groups. Okay, by using WhatsApp group you can join at least 5 to 10 people per day. So how you can refer these number of people every day, I will explain you in this video. But before that, I will tell you that I'm also doing the same thing and I'm getting so many responses every day. Every day from WhatsApp groups, I will get almost 20 responses, and out of 20, minimum 4 people and up to 10 people will join definitely. So I will show you some. I have done posting few minutes before making this video, so I will explain you. I got this response from this person. Hello sir, मुझे job चाहिए. So he is saying he need a job and he is in this group. Okay. So from that group I have posted a message in that, and that person has seen my message and is asking for a job. Okay. So this is number one response which I got. Okay. I will show you some more responses. How can I earn? He is asking. So I will. This is also a response. 2. Okay. 3. Okay. 4, 5, 6, and so many responses. Okay, many people will contact you. What is your work? Okay, explain me. So you can send our joining material to them, and some people will join. Out of, suppose if you got 15 to 20 responses, out of that definitely 4 to 5 people and up to 10 people will join under you. So if you do this continuously for 4 to 5 months, definitely you will have a very good and strong team, and you can earn very good amount of money. Now I will explain you how you can join WhatsApp group. What you need to do, every day you need to post a part-time job message in at least 40 WhatsApp groups, and you have to repeat this thing every day. Every day you need to post 40, you need to post that part-time job message in at least 40 groups, and from that you will get 15 to 20 responses, and you will get easily 4 to 5 joinings. So I will explain you how you can join WhatsApp groups. What you need to do is, you need to search on Google. Anything you can search, any title you can search, because there are lakhs of WhatsApp groups. Okay, so I'm searching here Gujarati Shairi WhatsApp group link. I'm searching this, okay, by using this title, and I will click on this, and there are so many Gujarati Shairi groups are there, WhatsApp groups are there. I will click on them and I will join it. Okay, now I will post a message of part-time job. This is a message. In this it is written, earn online from home, daily 2 to 3 hours work, and type join and send on my WhatsApp number for details. So those people who are interested in part-time job, they will contact me on WhatsApp, like that I have shown in starting. Okay, so I have joined this group and I posted my message. Now I will join other group. Okay, 90 participants are in this group. But now what is this? It is asking only admin can send message. So in this group you can't send message, so you will left this group. You not need to stay in this group because you are not able to post message in this group. Okay, so I will left this group. I will join some other group, life care. There are 55 participants, so I am not interested. I will join those groups which have more number of people. Okay, this group link is revoked. I am not going to join it. 23 participant, I will not join this group also. Okay, इसकी link revoke कर ली गई है, so no issue. I will join this also. I am not able to join. 84 participant. Okay, I will join this group. Now in this group I am able to post message, so I will stay in this group and I will post my message. So like that you can search any title. Okay, there are 84 participants in this group. Some people will see my message, and those who are interested in part-time job, they will contact me on WhatsApp. What I will do, I will send joining material. If you don't have joining material, you can contact me, or you are applying, they will provide you. You have to send joining material to them when someone contact you, and they will join under you. Okay, if they have any question, you can tell them, and when they join, you can add them in your training group, and you will provide them after joining material, so that they can also understand this business and they can work like you. Okay, so that person has contacted me. What will I do? I will send him a joining material. Okay, I will explain you. Okay, I am sending you work details. Okay, and I have already made some material. You can get this material from your upline. Okay, this is the material with audio, some screenshots. This is the screenshot. I will forward them, and after checking that, if he is interested, he will join under me. So if you got suppose 20 responses, out of 20, 4 to 5 people definitely will join under you. Okay, so if you repeat this process 4 to 5 months, up to 4 to 5 months, you can create a very good network. So that person contacted me, I will forward him. So like that, I have forwarded them details. If he is interested, he can join under me. I have given you an example of Gujarati Shairi group. You can search anything. You can search like online promotion. Okay, you can search like online promotion WhatsApp group link 2020, fashion group WhatsApp link 2020, anything like that. You can search with any title, but you have to mention 2020. So you will get new groups, and like that you will join 40 groups. And daily you need to post one message. You can post in evening and morning anytime. Okay, and you have to post 40, at least in 40 groups you need to post such type of message. I will provide you 7 to 8 message of part-time job. So you not need to post same message every day. You have to change the message. Suppose today I am posting that earn from home 2 to 3 hours a day. You have to work 2 to 3 hours a day. Type join like that message I have provided. And next day you have to change this message with some different language, because if you post same message every day, WhatsApp will block your number. Okay, so for 7 days we will provide you 7 messages. You can repeat the in next 7 days also you can repeat the same thing. And one more thing I want to tell you, that apart from that WhatsApp, you can also get responses from Facebook. So you can post up to in 60 Facebook groups. You have to post messages like that only. From that also you will get responses, and from OLX also you will get responses. So if you combine all these things, easily you can join 10 people every day. And if you train such things to your team also, in 4 to 5 months you can create a very big network, because I have in just 15 days I have created a network of 3000 people. You can see that. Okay, so thank you very much.